Hello students, today we will discuss on the topic of million more machine representation. So unit number 4, title is finite state machines. In this one, this is your first topic. So starting with the first, sequential machines. So sequential machine is a nothing but is a sequential circuit that is represented by block indicating its input and output. Okay, for example, the digital communication system, digital computers, like this one. Now, the synchronous or clock sequential circuits are represented by two models. First one is your milli model and second one is your Moore type. Okay, so also called as circuit of machines. Okay, milli model or called as circuit or machine. So if you observe with the milli type, it is sequential circuit whose output depends on present state of the flip-flop and also the input. I repeat again, it is a sequential circuit whose output depends on present state of the flip-flop and also the input. Then if you see the Moore type model, circuit or machine, it is a sequential circuit whose output depends only on the present state of the flip-flop. Its output depends on the only present state of the flip-flop. Okay, so these are the main difference we can call that. Now, if you observe the diagrams, then we find out these are the few things. Okay, so first is what? Sequential circuit, also called as finite state machines. Sequential circuit, also called as finite state machine, because functional behavior of the sequential circuit can be represented by using finite, or finite means limited number of states. I repeat again, sequential circuit are also called as finite state machine because the functional behavior of the sequential circuit can be represented by using finite or limited number of states. Thus, a finite state machine is a model that describes the synchronous sequential machine. Synchronous sequential machines. Okay. So after that, we'll see a milli machine is a finite state machine whose output present state as well as the present input. Okay, it described by these 6 tuple. These are the notations. Okay, so this is nothing but finite set of state. Okay, these are summation is a finite set of symbol called input alphabet. Okay, this is finite set of symbol called output alphabet. It's called a delta. This is the input transition function, and x is the output transition function. Okay, and initial state from where the input is processed. Then we see the state table of the milli machine. State table of the milli machine. Okay, so input is 0, state, output, input. How we can read? I will say, whenever present state is A, input is 0. At that time, it's again in the state B. Okay, and output at the time x1. Okay, again present state is A when input is 1. At that time, their state is C and output is x1, like this one. Okay, so we'll see the details about this respective we can call as milli machine representation. Okay, so starting with again diagram, we can see the diagram milli machine, right? Okay, so we can call as combinational circuit. Okay, this one combinational logic circuit. Okay, so it is we can call as C1. Okay, next decoder, it receives the input from the output of memory element and also from the external input. Okay, it receives the input from output of memory element and also from these are the external, right? And this one you can receive from the external memory element, state registers. Okay, is also called as memory elements, right? Then element also from the external input. Then output decoder is this one. Okay, the output decoder combination circuit 2. Okay, gets the input from the external input and also from the output of memory elements. The output decoder, okay, the output combination circuit logic decoder 2, it gets the input from external input from this side, say this one. Okay, and second, get the input from also from the output of memory element, from the output of the memory elements. Okay, thus output of Mealy circuit depends on present state, the memory element, and also the external input, inputs, right? Then we'll see the representation of this one. Okay, so we can call it as it is a next decoder. Okay, next state combination means it is C1. The combination circuit is called next state decoder. The external input and feedback signal from memory element are applied to the next decoder. Okay, and this one again applied from the memory element. Then the output of memory element are applied to the output decoder. The output of memory element applied to the decoder. Okay, here, and if you observe this diagram, this thing is missing. Okay, means external input is applied to the your output decoder, here is missing. External input is not applied to the mode type. Okay, then we'll see the respective table, so we can see the difference. Okay, same way as a Mealy type representation. Okay, these are the main important points. Okay, so output depends both upon the present state and present input. Here output depends upon only present state. Generally it is fewer state than more machine. Generally it is more state than the Mealy machine. The value of the output function is a function of the transition and the changes when the input logic of the present state is done. The value of output function of a current state and the changes at the clock edges whenever the state changes occur. Mealy machine react faster or into and faster to input, they generally react in the same clock cycle. More machine, more logic is required to decode the output, resulting in more circuit delay. Generally react and one clock cycle later. Okay, so these are the main difference, and in the exam also they are asking the difference between Moore machine and Mealy machine. Okay, thank you. Hope so you understood all the concept.